Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the controller cover. Open the controller cover. Disconnect the speaker terminal. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws that fix the speaker. Remove the speaker. Install the speaker. Tighten the fixing screws. Replug the speaker terminal. Push the terminal into the vehicle body. Install the controller cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.